Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut, unfulfilled, or just not living your best life? Many of us experience a desire for change at some point in our lives. But why do we crave adjustment? Humans are naturally wired to seek happiness and fulfillment. When we feel like our lives are lacking in these areas, we naturally desire change. The fear of missing out can drive us to seek change. We may feel like we're falling behind our peers or missing out on life's greatest opportunities. Humans have a natural desire for growth and development. We crave new experiences, challenges, and opportunities to learn and grow. Our brains crave novelty and variety. When we feel like our lives are becoming too routine or predictable, we seek change to keep things interesting. External factors, such as major life events, can also trigger a desire for change. These events can disrupt our routines and force us to reevaluate our lives. The fear of stagnation can drive us to seek change. We don't want to feel like we're not making progress or achieving our goals. The desire for change is a natural part of the human experience. By understanding the underlying reasons for this desire, we can better navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with making adjustments in our lives. The main individual remaining among you and your objective is you.